guys, it's been a while, but welcome back to another DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom-made dominoes. For this video, you will need a Dominoes silicone mold, resin part A and B, plastic cups, gold foil, paint brushes, mica powder in the colors you want your dominoes to be, I chose blue, alcohol ink, I used the blue ones, some sticks to stir your resin, some gold paint pens, and most importantly, some gloves because resin is super sticky and you do not want to get this on your skin. Okay, to start, go ahead and put a plastic tablecloth or trash bag down and put on your gloves. You are then going to take your gold foiling and paintbrush and press your gold flakes into the silicone mold. This will be on the front of your dominoes. Once done, it's going to kind of look something like this. Next step, you are going to mix your resin. I wanted 2 different colors, so I used 4 cups, 2 for part A and 2 for part B. You are going to pour equal amounts of part A and B and then mix the 2 together. I then mix in the alcohol ink and mica powder to achieve the color I wanted. Make sure you mix this well for about 5 minutes. I know on camera these 2 colors are coming up very similar, but they are a few shades different, which will give the dominoes a cool effect. You are then going to carefully pour your resin into the mold. If you pour too much resin like I did, you can carefully use your stirring stick to even out the dominoes and remove the extra resin to the side of the mold. Let the resin cure for 24 hours and then go ahead and pop out your hardened dominoes. So now you have your dominoes, we just need to fill in the dots and lines so they are easier to see. Go ahead and take your gold paint pens and fill in the dots and lines. The extra fine tip is good for the line and the regular for the dots. It's okay if the gold comes out of the dots whole a little because it blends in with the gold foiling that you did earlier. If you want, you can quickly wipe away the excess gold with a paper towel. I ended up leaving mine because I felt like it wasn't necessary. Once finished, you then have your own custom set of dominoes. You can make these in any color you want or even find a checkers mold on Amazon and do it with checkers instead. If you decide to make these at home, tag me at FaradTV so I can see you make something great. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.